Hello guys, bienvenidos al ¿Qué esperar? De la unidad 14 del Interchange Intro. I had a good time. El objetivo de esta unidad es que aprendas a hablar de tus pasadas actividades de fin de semana y vacacionales. Recuerda que estas lecciones no son sustitutos del libro o la clase, sino más bien un vistazo general al contenido de la unidad. Para lecciones detalladas de la unidad, visita los enlaces en la descripción del video.
Snapshot. Listen and practice. Things to do on the weekend.
Answer email. Clean the house. Do the laundry. Exercise.
Go grocery shopping. Visit relatives. Wash the car. Work or study.
Conversation. Did you have a good weekend? Listen and practice.
Hi, Una. Did you have a good weekend?
Well, I had a busy weekend, so I'm a little tired.
Really? Why?
Well, on Saturday, I exercised in the morning. Then I cleaned the apartment, did the laundry, and went shopping. And in the evening, I visited my parents.
And what did you do on Sunday?
I studied for our test all day.
Oh, no. I didn't study for the test. I just watched TV shows all weekend. Hi, Una. Did you have a good weekend?
Well, I had a busy weekend, so I'm a little tired.
Really? Why?
Well, on Saturday, I exercised in the morning. Then I cleaned the apartment, did the laundry, and went shopping. And in the evening, I visited my parents.
And what did you do on Sunday?
I studied for our test all day.
Oh, no. I didn't study for the test. I just watched TV shows all weekend.
Grammar focus. Simple past statements. Regular verbs.
I stayed home. I didn't stay home.
You watched a TV show. You didn't watch a game.
She exercised on Saturday. She didn't exercise on Sunday.
We studied English. We didn't study math.
They shopped for groceries. They didn't shop for clothes.
Didn't equals did not.
Spelling.
Stay. Stayed. S-T-A-Y-E-D.
Watch. Watched. W-A-T-C-H-E-D.
Exercise. Exercised. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E-D.
Study. Studied. S-T-U-D-I-E-D.
Shop. Shopped. S-H-O-P-P-E-D.
Pronunciation. Simple past ed endings. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice the pronunciation of ed. These verbs end in t.
Worked. Watched.
These verbs end in d.
Cleaned. Stayed.
These verbs end in id.
Wanted. Visited.
Part B. Listen and write these verbs under the correct sounds.
Cooked. Decided. Exercised. Invited. Listened. Shopped.
Grammar focus. Simple past statements. Irregular verbs.
I did my homework. I didn't do the laundry.
You got up at noon. You didn't get up at 8 o'clock.
She went to the bookstore. She didn't go to the library.
We met our classmates. We didn't meet our teacher.
You came home late. You didn't come home early.
They had a barbecue. They didn't have a picnic.
Complete the chart. Then listen and check.
Buy. Bought. Eat. Ate. Feel. Felt.
Make. Made. Read. Read. Ride. Rode.
See. Saw. Sit. Sat. Take. Took.
Conversation. Did you have fun? Listen and practice.
Hi, Martin. Welcome back. So, did you go to Montreal?
No, I didn't. I went to Sydney with my sister.
Really? Did you like it?
Yeah, we loved it. We visited the Opera House and went to Bondi Beach.
Did you go surfing?
No, we didn't. Actually, we went swimming in the ocean pool. And one day, we climbed Sydney Harbor Bridge.
Wow. Did you have fun?
Yes, I did. But my sister didn't like climbing very much. She got really tired.
Hi, Martin. Welcome back. So, did you go to Montreal?
No, I didn't. I went to Sydney with my sister.
Really? Did you like it?
Yeah, we loved it. We visited the Opera House and went to Bondi Beach.
Did you go surfing?
No, we didn't. Actually, we went swimming in the ocean pool. And one day, we climbed Sydney Harbor Bridge.
Wow. Did you have fun?
Yes, I did. But my sister didn't like climbing very much. She got really tired.
Grammar focus. Simple past yes-no questions.
Did you have a good summer?
Yes, I did. I had a great summer.
Did you go surfing?
No, I didn't. I went swimming.
Did Martin like his vacation?
Yes, he did. He liked it a lot.
Did Martin and his sister go to Montreal?
No, they didn't. They went to Sydney.
Listening. Did you have a good summer? Listen to Fernando, Olivia, Cameron, and Abigail. What did they do last summer? Check the correct answers. 1,
Hello, Fernando. Did you have a good summer?
Oh, I had an okay summer, I guess. I visited my brother in Veracruz.
That's nice. Did you go to the beach?
No, I didn't. It rained all summer, so we usually did things indoors.
2,
Hi, Olivia. How are you? Did you have a good summer?
Yes, I did, thanks. I just relaxed.
Did you read any good books?
Books? Well, no. But I watched a lot of interesting videos online.
3,
So, Cameron, did you do anything interesting last summer?
Oh, yeah. You know how I love to be outdoors. I played baseball and rode my bike every day.
Baseball and bike riding. You're a really good athlete.
Yeah. Well, I try.
4,
Did you have a job last summer, Abigail?
Well, no, but I did a lot of work.
What do you mean? Did you get a job?
No, but my parents and I painted our house, and I worked in the yard a lot.
Word Power. Summer Activities, Part A. Find 2 words from the list that go with each verb in the chart. Then listen and check.
Get a new bike. Get up late.
Go camping. Go swimming.
Have a barbecue. Have a picnic.
Meet new people. Meet old friends.
Play beach volleyball. Play soccer.
Take a summer class. Take a trip.
Reading. Did you have a good weekend?
Nick Bond. I just had the worst weekend ever. It was my best friend Pete's wedding, and my car broke down on the drive. I was on a quiet road, and suddenly there was a bang. Then the car just didn't move. I missed the wedding and came home on the back of a truck. Jesse Taylor. Hey guys, guess what? I just got back from my first ever parasailing class. It was amazing. I traveled to a town by the ocean and met my instructor. We went high up above the ocean where people jump off the rocks. It was kind of scary, but so exciting. Here's a picture of me. See? That's me. Armando Torres. So, on Saturday morning, I did chores at home. You know, laundry and stuff. Then I went grocery shopping because there was no food in the house. Sunday morning, I fixed my bike, walked the dog, called my mom, and made lunch. Then I wrote a report for work. cleaned the house, and went to bed. Juliet Blum. Wow, what an awesome weekend! I went running in the park on Saturday evening, and I met someone I knew from school 10 years ago. It was so cool. Her name is Marie, and we always hung out together when we were kids. She's married now and has a baby.
Así concluimos con esta lección. Espero que te haya sido útil. Si así lo fue, por favor, apóyame para seguir creando este tipo de contenido, dándole like y suscribiéndote al canal. Hasta la próxima.